morning, guys, or good afternoon rather. Woke up late today. Me and Dion, we're gonna go buy some milk, some chocolate milk, maybe a few other things. I just got a craving for sweetness right now. Let's see what we get. Check out what we got, guys. Got chocolate milk for the whole team. Milk for, well, I guess Mike is gonna drink half of it. The other half we can use for rolled oats. And a bit of cheap rye bread. Let's go. It was for sale. Getting too stale and old, so we got it for 5 krona. And these, they were only 8 krona. Okay, it's not like
you got a whole
crazy.
box of damn chocolate milk, dude.
Yeah, I woke up and the only thing I could think about was chocolate milk. And I just felt sad and defeated that I didn't have
chocolate milk fever.
Yeah,
I don't know. You get that much, I'm gonna have to drink some now.
Oh, go ahead, dude. I gotta keep this shade of brown going some one way or another. Right? All right, that's good. Thanks. I'm having some rolled oats with sugar, and actually I put a bit of vanilla sugar in there. I want to see if it's any good. I never tried it, but I really like vanilla sugar. And then a tall glass of chocolate milk on the side. Let's go. Guys, I am in a great fucking mood right now. I made a deal with a guy on the Danish equivalent of Craigslist, basically like this second-hand platform. This dude, he put up an electric unicycle for sale. It's a 2022 model, I think, maybe 2021 model. But yeah, he put it for sale for only 7,000 Danish. It's like $1,000, and it's just really cheap considering it's only gone like 750 kilometers. It's basically brand new. It just had a few scratches from him learning on that wheel. I don't really care about scratches. I'm all about functionality over form, you know. I'm just so excited. I got the electrical components sitting there ready to be soldered together. I got the solar panels coming. I'm gonna get this electric unicycle. Fingers crossed. I mean, I don't expect anyone else is gonna buy it from under me. And yeah, things are just shaping up in a lot quicker of a fashion than I could have ever imagined. I'm just very thankful to both Dion and Mike for helping out with making this a possibility in this time frame. It's just gonna make it, you know, be less survival-ish and definitely more of a luxurious experience. Basically, once I get a fast charger for this electric unicycle, we don't even have to rely on the sun at that point. I mean, it only comes with a 300 watt charger, which isn't really that much considering it has a 3,600 watt hour battery. It would take 12 hours to charge it from zero. But I imagine in the beginning we're probably mostly just gonna power it with solar, or maybe not. I'm not exactly sure. But it's just nice to have such a big battery capacity that I'll be able to siphon at night to charge USB devices or even to charge their bikes, you know. I'm just gonna give Dion my old bicycle, and Mike, he still has his bicycle he needs to fix. And yeah, I'll be riding the wheel. Can't wait, man. I have not been riding an electric unicycle since basically mid to late 2023 when my big goat, well, I don't really say big goat, I call them Godway, when my Godway RS19 burnt down. It was a high-speed version. This wheel I'm getting is a high-torque version. It's going to be able to go a little less fast than my RS was capable of, but I don't like riding at those speeds, man. It's crazy. Like going 69 kilometers, nice. An hour on an electric unicycle is the fastest I've ever gone. And I don't really think I need to go that fast. I think 50 kilometers an hour, that feels really comfortable. I like it. But having the high torque, I would much rather have that than another 10, 15 kilometers an hour, because I just want to crank it, man. I just want to Michael Jackson lean, just go crazy with the acceleration and stuff. Maybe not with the full backpack, but you know, I'm going to be playing around with it a bit when I get it without all my equipment. I can't wait. Like I've been riding these things since 2016, basically every day up until 2023. And yeah, I've been feeling a bit like a cripple for the past few years. It's like I've been missing my legs. I used to have a nickname, Hjulben, or wheel legs. It's basically the Danish translation of the term roadrunner. You know, the roadrunner in Wile E. Coyote, the meep meep ping guy. Yeah, we call him wheel legs in Denmark. And that was my nickname for the longest time there. So I can't wait to be reunited with my long lost limb. It's gonna be amazing, man. Check it out, I heated up the food from yesterday and made some rice because all of a sudden Mike decided that he didn't want to make lamb and stuff that he said that he would today. So yeah, I'm making this instead. I already peeled the potatoes. Look at this shit, man. Like, he told me specifically, no, I don't want to reheat that stuff from yesterday. Go buy this stuff. So I did. But yeah, whatever, man. It's still good. I'm happy that we eat it. I don't like food waste. So let's get it. I'm just talking to Stony. Oh yeah, I was just talking to Stony about this YouTube video that I watched that has completely changed my perspective on like my past relationships and just how to even think about relationships. And I haven't done this before, but I'll share the link in the description. I'll hold myself to it. I'll actually put it in there. I won't forget. A few hours later, I'm loving this black magic for making tea, man. It's great. I got the potatoes peeled for tomorrow's dinner. It kind of sucks, but yeah, Mikey regretted. And he's like, no, just heat up the stuff from yesterday. Let's eat this tomorrow. Well, I guess. They're already peeled. Yeah, I'm gonna have myself some strawberry, well, red fruit tea. And some honey. Look at what happened on the sides of this honey. I have no clue why or what this is. But it's pretty interesting looking, right? Maybe it's just a matter of crystals aligning themselves. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe it's a matter of how I scoop this stuff out of there. I can't really see it. But yeah, this is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna crawl into my sleeping bag, hang out with Stony.